Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope, student, you all are fine. You are watching the video and clearing your doubts. Okay, student. So, student, when you are watching the video, please take out your rough copy and pen, and you can also note down the important points. Is it clear? And you also note their doubts which you can ask in your online classes doubt session. So student, I am teaching you. Today date is 18/7/2020. Welcome to EVS class, and I am teaching you chapter number 11. Name of the chapter is India, our country. In this chapter we will study about the physical features of our country, that is India, and even states and capitals of our country. So before starting, student, let discuss what we have done in our previous video, and after that I will continue with the new topic what I am teaching. Let discuss the previous video, because student, it has been observed and many of you are, when I am asking you well in online classes whether you watch the video, many of the student, they don't have doubts. Only few student, they have doubts. That is very good. If you are doing study, if you are doing study, if you are watching the video, definitely first time if you are getting the explanation of anything, many doubts come in your mind. मुझे लगता है अगर आप डाउट्स नहीं पूछ रहे हो, इसका मतलब आप वीडियो वॉच नहीं कर रहे हो. सो स्टूडेंट, this is the teaching from the home for the student, and this teaching learning process can be better only due to you. If you take interest, then we also take more interest. So please watch the video and ask your doubts. Okay, see student, in our previous video I am discussing that in the world the position of our country is 7th. India is the 7th largest country in the world. Quick recapitulation I will do of the topics, and then I will tell you about the union territories. So student, India is the 7th largest country in the world. We are living in the Asia continent, and there are 7 continents in the world. Continent means a large pieces of land. Large pieces of land on the surface of the earth, and rest of the portion is covered by a water. Is it clear? So, and after that we discuss north to south and west to east. So from, if we see from north to south, it stretches. कितना फैला हुआ इंडिया? Kashmir to Kanyakumari 3,200 kilometer, and from west to east, that is Kutch to Arunachal Pradesh, it is 3,000 kilometer. We have 6,500 kilometer of a coastal line. Is it clear? And we have 7 countries by which we have a land borders, and we have a land border of 15,200 kilometer with 7 neighboring countries. And even in this chapter we come to know who are our neighbors and from which country we share the maximum land boundary. That is Bangladesh. That is Bangladesh is the country which we share the maximum land border. Okay student, now after that student, we start discussing the Indian states and capital and union territories. Okay, there are 28 states in India, and how many union territories are there? There are 8 union territories of India. So let's start with the union territories. When we are talking about the union territories, students, okay, when we are talking about the union territories of India, then student, the most important things which you have to understand, see, when we are talking about the state and capital, every state has its own chief minister. Every state has its own chief minister, and chief minister is elected by the people of that state. चीफ मिनिस्टर कैसे चुना जाता है? उस स्टेट के जो लोग होते हैं जो इलेक्शन में वोट देते हैं, ड्यू टू द votes of the people, this person is selected and that person is known as the chief minister of the state. Okay, so these chief minister forms the rules and laws of that state. ठीक है, and but there are some union territories also. There are 8 union territories, and why we don't kept the why we kept this you can say in our union territories, हमने इन्हें union territories करके अलग क्यों रखा बाकी स्टेट से? So there are some reason for that, student. Let's discuss that reason also, and after that one by one I will explain you so that you are able to understand in a simple manner. देखो, why union territories are formed? Union territories are formed, these are, they don't have their own chief ministers. Okay, first of all understand it, they don't have their own chief minister. उनके अपने कोई chief minister नहीं होते हैं. Okay, so they are central, the government which is in the central. Okay, and president is the head. President is the head. He appointed the lieutenant governor who is the representative of the president. वो किसका representative होता है? राष्ट्रपति का. ठीक है, तो ही लुक आफ्टर द दीज यूनियन टेरिटरीज. इन यूनियन टेरिटरीज को हिंदी में आप कह सकते हो उप राज्यपाल. ठीक है, जिससे वो किसका रिप्रेजेंटेटिव होता है? प्रेसिडेंट का. एंड ही लुक द दीज एरियाज, और जितने भी इस एरिया में रूल और लॉ जो पास होते हैं, दैट इज फॉलोड बाय द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. दैट इज फॉलो बाय द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. ठीक है. Second thing, it means these states do not have their chief minister, but there are 2 union territories which having the chief minister, that is Delhi and Pondicherry. Delhi and Pondicherry, these are the union territories which have their own chief minister. But otherwise, in other union territories, they don't have their own chief ministers. Okay, now let understand what are the condition, or you can say what is the reason why we keep this area in union territories. जैसे और एरिया के काफी सिटीज को, शहरों को जोड़ के एक स्टेट बना दी और उनका चीफ मिनिस्टर हुआ, ही इज लुकिंग ऑल दैट rules and regulation in that area. Why we have not done with this some of the areas? So student, there are a few reason for that. First is a geographical reason. जैसे I will tell when we will discuss these in the about the union territory. geographical reason आप ले सकते हो. एक reason ये भी रह सकता है, see the, you can say like in Andaman and Nicobar Island, what's happened? These islands are from all the side, these islands are surrounded with the water. They are not in touch with any other state. So that is the reason also, due to some geographical reason. Okay, due to some geographical reason, रीजन मतलब कारण। तो ये कारण है, या तो इन एरियाज की क्या पॉपुलेशन बहुत लेस थी, द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ दिस एरियाज इज वेरी लेस एंड देयर लैंड इज आल्सो लेस, पॉपुलेशन एंड एरिया इज लेस एंड that is geographical reason. Okay, and maybe you are talking about some cultural reason. Cultural reason में आप ले सकते हो, for example in my previous video I discuss Pondicherry, Dadar Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu. See, if we study these area student, they having a less population, or in area में before the freedom, if we are talking about before freedom of India, maximum in this area यूरोपियंस, यूरोप के जो लोग थे उनके रूल्स थे। यहाँ बहुत समय तक फ्रांस और पुर्तगाल के लोग रहे थे इन एरियाज में, व्हाट वी से दादर नगर हवेली एंड दमन एंड दीव। So in this area, before the freedom, France and Portugal people they rule here. So people of that area follow the culture of the France and Portugal peoples. To save their culture, these areas are put into a union territories. ठीक है, ऐसा माना जाता है फ्रीडम से पहले फ्रांस और पुर्तगाल के लोग बहुत समय तक उन्होंने यहाँ पे रूल किया था। तो दोज पीपल हु आर लिविंग इन दैट एरिया, उनके कल्चर में फ्रांस और पुर्तगाल के कल्चर से मिलती हुई देखने को मिलता है। इसलिए क्या किया गया, वी केप्ट दीज दादर नगर हवेली एंड दमन दीव को हमने किस में रख लिया, यूनियन टेरिटरीज में। इज इट क्लियर? एंड पॉलिटिकल रीजन आल्सो, जियोग्राफिकल रीजन हो गया, सेकंड हो गया ड्यू टू कल्चरल, कल्चरल रीजन हो गया। थर्ड आप लिख सकते हो पॉलिटिकल रीजन आल्सो। थर्ड you can also say due to some political reason also. Now the question arises, how the political reason? See, in 19 when we are talking about the Punjab, okay, when we are talking about Punjab, so student, Punjab is separated in 1966. Punjab separated in 1966. So two states have become Haryana एंड एचपी, हिमाचल प्रदेश। ठीक है, जैसे बेटा क्या कहते हैं, पहले उत्तराखंड जो आपका है ये यूपी में था, नाउ इट इज सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम यूपी। इन द सेम मैनर इन 1966 व्हाट्स हैपन, पंजाब इज सेपरेटेड इन हरियाणा एंड हिमाचल। ओके, एंड बिफोर द सेपरेशन चंडीगढ़ इज द कैपिटल ऑफ पंजाब। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पॉलिटिकल रीजन आ गया। सी, सो दिस एरिया चंडीगढ़ is very close to, now Haryana is separated from Punjab and Himachal, so Himachal become a separate state and Shimla is the capital of Himachal. But now this Punjab, before separation Punjab has Chandigarh as its capital. Okay, before separation Punjab has a Chandigarh as its capital. Now once this is separated, Punjab is separated in 1966 in two states, that is Haryana and Himachal. So both these states start fighting for the Chandigarh. Both want that, Punjab also want that, because earlier Punjab capital is Chandigarh now, but after separation what happens, Haryana wants that Chandigarh become the capital of Haryana, and Punjab also want that Chandigarh become the capital of Punjab. So this is a political reason. So what has been done, क्या कर दिया गया कि चंडीगढ़ को यूनियन टेरिटरी में रख दिया गया. Is it clear? Because Punjab is also fighting for Chandigarh and Haryana is also fighting for the Chandigarh. Both of them are not. Both of them want that Chandigarh becomes their capital. So what has been done? We kept Chandigarh in a union territory. ठीक है, इसे यूनियन टेरिटरी बना दिया और पंजाब और हरियाणा दोनों की कैपिटल बना दिया गया इसे. नाउ when I teach you states and capital, that time I told you Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab also and Chandigarh is the capital of Haryana also. So both the states are happy. So we make Chandigarh union territory and Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab also and Chandigarh is the capital of Haryana also. So these are the reasons why we kept a few area of India as a union territories. One more time I recapitulate you so that the things comes in your mind. See student, in India there are 28 states and 8 union territories. ठीक है, इंडिया में 28 स्टेट्स हैं और 8 यूनियन टेरिटरीज हैं. ओके, नाउ सी द हेड ऑफ द यूनियन टेरिटरी इज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया. So he appointed his representative, that you can lieutenant governor, on Hindi you can say up rajyapal. So he see all these union territories. Is it clear? जैसे अदर स्टेट हैं, they are ruled by the chief minister. And who elected the chief minister? Chief minister is elected by the people of that state. They choose the chief minister. But these union territories, they don't have a chief minister except Delhi and Pondicherry. They have a chief minister. Is it clear? Now these all about union territories. Next thing is that what is the reason why we kept this in a union territory? What is the reason? See, there are 3 reasons. Geographical reason. Geographical reason you can see in Lakshadweep, Andaman Nicobar Island. These are totally not. These are the lands which are totally from all sides. They are surrounded by a water. ये ऐसे लैंड्स है पानी के बीचों बीच जिनके चारों तरफ क्या वाटर है. तो ये जो आइलैंड है दूसरे स्टेट्स से उनके एरिया के टच में नहीं है. तो मे बी ज्योग्राफिकल रीजन की वजह से बाकी लोगों जो पीपल्स हु आर लिविंग हियर इन दिस आइलैंड्स, इवन दे आर नॉट टच विद द अदर स्टेट, तो इन्हें एक सेपरेट करके यूनियन टेरिटरीज में रख दिया गया. इज इट क्लियर? अनदर मैंने बताया कल्चरल में. कल्चरल रीजन में जैसे मैंने आप लोग को अभी बताया दादर एंड नागर हवेली, दमन एंड दीव. व्हाट्स हैपन हियर? हियर बिफोर द फ्रीडम मेनी इयर्स फ्रांस, यूरोपियंस जो थे, यूरोपियन कंट्री फ्रांस एंड पुर्तगाल्स, दे हैव ए रूल ऑन दिस प्लेस फॉर मेनी ईयर बिफोर द फ्रीडम. सो नाउ जो वहाँ के लोगों का रहन सहन का ढंग, ये सब जो उनका कल्चर था, दे फॉलो दैट. सो we don't want to disturb their culture, so we put them into a union territories. Then after that, third point which come in the discussion, that is a political reason. How political reason arises? Due to Punjab. Political reason arises due to Punjab, because in 1966 Punjab is separated. Punjab is separated. Now 2 more states come from Punjab, that is Haryana separate and Himachal Pradesh. So Himachal Pradesh has its own capital, that you know, Shimla, which I have discussed with you when I teach you states and capital. Himachal Pradesh has its own capital, that is known as Shimla. Now what happened before separation? Punjab having Chandigarh as its capital. Now when Haryana is separated from Punjab, then what Haryana also want that Chandigarh become their capital, and Punjab wants also that Chandigarh become their capital. So we put Chandigarh in union territories and we make Chandigarh the capital of Punjab also and the capital of Haryana also. That this is the way in why we put the all union territories, and 2 or 3 union territories I have already discussed in my previous video with you. Okay, student. So let's discuss 4 or 5 are left that I will discuss on the board. And if even you have any doubt in union territory, what is the reason, any doubt, you can note down your doubt and ask in your online session. Okay. Now see, student, uh, let's start with Chandigarh. Let's start with Chandigarh, na? Fifth one. First four I have already discussed with you. That is the reason I am starting from fifth union territory. Okay, Chandigarh. And when it was created in, it is created in 1966. Okay. So student, just before fifth is union territory is a Chandigarh and capital is Chandigarh is already a capital. And when it was created, it is created in 1966. Just now I tell you, when the Punjab is separated into Haryana and Himachal. So Himachal become a separate state and they have their capital Shimla. But both Haryana and Punjab fight that Chandigarh become their capital. So we put Chandigarh in a, we created Chandigarh in Union Territories in 1966, and this is the political reason why we kept Chandigarh in a Union Territories. So this Chandigarh is kept in Union Territory due to political reason. What is the political reason? That I already discussed with you. That Punjab and Haryana, both the state are fighting for the Chandigarh. Okay, so you can note down from the board. And what are the famous places in Chandigarh? You can note down in your copy. I'll write Rose Garden and Rock Garden. Even you have studied this thing in your GK book also. जो पुरानी चीजें हैं उन सबको यूज करके रॉक गार्डन बनाया गया है. इट्स वेरी अट्रैक्टिव, बहुत अच्छा है. इफ यू whenever you get a chance to go in Chandigarh, then please visit Rose Garden and Rock Garden. Is it clear? Sixth one, Ladakh. And its capital is Leh. And when it was created in 2000, 2019. Just This is 2021 year. So it was created in 2019, Ladakh, and its capital is Leh. And 2019, this new union territory that is known as Ladakh. ठीक है. और फेमस पेंगोंग लेक इज इन लद्दाख, और ये तो तुम लोग को पता ही है. इस समय चाइना से भी काफी इंडिया का वहां पे चल रहा है ना क्राइसिस, इंडिया और चाइना की पेंगोंग लेक पे. एंड देन नोट डाउन द सेवेंथ वन. सेवेंथ इज जम्मू कश्मीर. And its capital is and created in, when it was created, it is also created in 2019. Okay, now see student, Jammu and Kashmir, and its capital is Srinagar and Jammu. Why I have written both Jammu Kashmir as a capital of a Srinagar and Jammu? See, when it is very cold, at the time of summer, Srinagar become the capital, and at the time of winter, Jammu become the capital. Is it clear? And when it was created in 2019. It was created in 2019. Note down. Next, you can write Dadar Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. Daman and Diu. And its capital is Daman. So student, firstly they are separated, but they having a very less population, and their land area is also less. So both Dadar Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu, they are merged into one union territory, and their capital is Daman. ठीक है, पहले ये अलग अलग थी यूनियन टेरिटरीज में, लेकिन व्हेन जम्मू कश्मीर एंड लद्दाख इज एडेड, then after that these are by population also and by areas, so they are very small. So we merge Dadar Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu, and Daman is a capital. And what we have, when we have done this in 2020. Okay, we have done this in 2020. Now another important thing is that student, this union territory is due to, what is the reason? Cultural reason. 3 point I have discussed why we make the union territory. Geographical reason, Andaman Nicobar Islands, cultural reason, or political reason. So these, before the freedoms, France and European, means France and Portugal's people, they rule in this area for very long time, and that is after freedom we don't want to change. The peoples who are living in that area, they have the culture, they adopted the culture of the people of France and Portugals, because they have ruled in that area for many long times. So that is the reason we put Dadar Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu in a separate, in a union territories. I hope student you are able to understand. If any doubt you can ask. Thank you.